G'day everyone, Tony Hodge here again from Star Vision Campers and Caravans, and today we're just going to show you a basic setup on the Smarttek Lite hot water unit and tripod stand. As always, please refer to the operator's manual for how to set this up. Now before we connect everything up, we're just going to make sure that the water pump is first of all turned off. We'll just open up the battery compartment area. We're just going to make sure that the power is turned on and the water pump toggle switch is in the off position. And while you're here, just check the water levels of the big tank, the 130 litre tank, and the small tank, the 100 litre water tank. Just press the water button and you will see the level as illuminated by the LED lights. And so now we're just going to connect the Smarttek up to the gas bottle. Now we're going to connect up the hot water hose to the hot water outlet on the drawbar. So we're just going to take the two caps off, hot water and cold water. To see which is hot water, which is cold water, just push back the conduit and you'll see a red hose there for the hot water and a blue hose there for the cold water. Then just simply plug in the hot water. Then bring up the cold water hose and plug that into the cold water outlet. So once that's ready and you've got the gas connected and turned on, we recommend just keep the water knob at a minimum and the gas knob at a minimum for when you get started. You can have the summer or winter knob depending upon what season of the year it is. Once we've done that, it's just a matter of going back and turning on the water pump toggle switch. And then just open up the external shower door to access the shower rose.